Don't you just love experiencing new things and meeting new people, making new friends? I mean, it's a wonderful and such a refreshing thing to undergo. And in today's method, that's exactly what you're doing. Not only are you going to be refreshing your state of mind, meeting new people, making new friends, but you're also going to invite them to partake in such a wonderful opportunity, and you're going to be making money for yourself. It's like hitting two birds with one stone. It's like doing the best things possible all at once. And I know you guys are so excited, so all you have to do is click on What's up, everybody, and welcome back to the Money Shark channel. We post new and exciting money making videos every single day, so make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, and make sure to hit that notification bell to be notified every time we have a new video up so you can be the first to know and try it out. First things first, I want to make something clear. Okay, this method will be done without the shed of a single sweat. It's easy and it's free. It's convenient, it's simple, it's like a breath of fresh air, and you are going to be making a lot of money online just as long as you have a working device and also whatever that is, whatever is available, and of course an internet connection. And it is beginner friendly. Don't even worry about it. You're going to be making so much money. You just have to make sure that you watch this entire video until the very end because you don't want to miss anything. So let's jump right into it. In today's video, I'm going to be using affiliate marketing as our strategy. And if you guys know that in my channel, we do a lot of affiliate marketing here. It's worked so amazing for everybody, all of my subscribers, including me. And I can attest to that. But this is going to be completely brand new this time because it's something you've never actually seen or heard about before. Not a lot of people actually know about this yet. And it's going to be jaw-droppingly amazing. You guys are going to love it. So the website that we're going to be using for today's video is called afplus.com. And a little bit of information about this is that afplus.com is an affiliate that offers a search engine that helps you find affiliate programs and CPA offers. Now, their website has a better search filtering and matching system that lets you right away search and compare different affiliate offers from all major CPA affiliate networks. I mean, that's amazing if you really think about it. Comment down below where you're from and what devices you use, and also tell me if you're an Android or an iOS user. All this information really helps you figure out what to do for my future videos. I mean, these videos are for you guys, so I want to make sure that I get as much output from you as possible. So let's keep going. Now, the moment you are on their official homepage, you're going to find this huge assortment of products and offers that you can promote to literally anyone that you know, okay? And the best way that you can promote these offers properly and effectively is to go, beyond your imagination. Think outside the box. Build up the courage to not be shy. Approach everyone in your circle, your friends, your colleagues, your family, your classmates, or whatever, and tell these people about your product, and it's gonna increase your chances of making money and just making money overall. So there's this technique that I am going to show you later on if you really want to expand, the people that you're able to reach, if you want to reach an even wider scope of people. Now, this is going to enhance your earnings for sure by a very long shot. So you are going to be achieving more financial success with the strategy. But I am going to show you all about that technique later on. So make sure you have to stay. Okay, I don't want to just give it to you guys because I want you to watch the whole video to really understand. Now, I want you to take a look at the products on here on their homepage. You're going to see right away. Okay, right away, you're going to see the top offers by default, including the name of the offer, how much money you're going to be making, and all of this information that's just going to give you a better view of what this product is. And also, you're going to see that you're going to get paid $50, $100, and you're gonna catch even some offers that's gonna give you even greater than $100, sometimes beyond $1,000. So you can scroll down, really look through all of the products being offered here. But to save you more time, I am just gonna show you what exactly you have to do and look for, so you don't have to go through the hassle of finding the product that's good for you. So that product, okay, the product that will really capture the majority of clients' interests, okay, on the search bar right here, you're gonna search in weight loss, okay, and then you're gonna reroute to this page where all of the results will be shown to you, okay. Those keywords are the reason that you are gonna be making a ton of money, okay. Now, promoting products that relate to weight loss in this generation, a lot of people are actually really interested in this. People want to keep their body in shape, especially with the pandemic going on. I feel like everybody has gained all this excess weight that they just want to get rid of. So really, especially with the pandemic, again, health, weight loss, diet, it's just a big ball of fluff that everybody just wants to master and get through with and get over with and just really be attached to and have that lifestyle. So now you are going to pretty much just try out the product that we're going to be promoting, and out of all these products, okay, I want you to look for a specific offer, okay. Now, just to be sure to look at the amount of money that you're estimated to achieve so that a high income can be given to you, because it's just sure that you're going to get it. So you're going to browse through the whole page again to look for the best one. And as you can see, there's a lot of products for you to choose from. They have over 2,000 results related to only those 2 keywords, okay? Just imagine what more they have that's not under weight loss. Now, I suggest that you go through with these products in the front, as they are the ones that closely, relate to the weight loss category. For today's video, we're going to choose this one, which is Pure Keto Weight Loss Formula. This one offers a high income return at over $100, and I want you to click on the product that you've chosen, and then you're going to find yourself on this webpage where you're going to find out more information or read more about the product as a whole. And once you're on the page, you're going to click on this button that says join this network. Then it's going to take you to the owner's external page here, and you're going to fill up their application form so you can start right away with your journey and to make money online, obviously. And you can get your affiliate link, and you're going to be making over $500 every single day, and I'm going to tell you about that in just a moment. If you guys are having fun with today's video, then make sure you leave us some love by liking and subscribing, and by commenting down below what your favorite has been so far. You can also hit that bell so that every time we have a new video up, you're going to be notified, and you can always be the first to know the best news only from Money Shark. So let's continue. So first thing I want you to do is actually visit twitter.com, and it's going to be the main platform that we're going to be using to promote the product. Now, we can't deny that Twitter is pretty much the best social media to use when you want to interact with millions of users actively. Okay, there's so many people on here, which means this is the perfect place to get a huge audience, okay? So how are you gonna do this? So I want you to make use of Twitter's search bar. Then you're gonna type in words regarding like weight loss, maybe just put lose weight fast. Then you're gonna hit enter on that, and then you're gonna be taken to this page where all of the tweets come in, and all the tweets that have the word, lose weight fast and something like that, or weight loss. Now, it's always a trending topic, so you really can't get wrong with it, and it's the perfect one. So you're going to see a lot of tweets, right? What I want you to do is to click on a tweet, and then you're going to reply to the tweet. Then you're just going to convince them to try out that product that you are promoting, okay, that you discovered. So the one we've chosen, you are just gonna give them all of the best information about it. You've read the information, you can easily just copy paste that, and then at the end you can put in your affiliate link, and that is pretty much it. Just wait for a few hours, and in no time you're gonna get so much sales, so much commission, so much money. You guys are not gonna regret it. Make sure that you do that, and we will see you in the next one. If there's nothing else, then thank you guys again for watching today's video. We're so close to 60,000 subscribers, so make sure that you like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss a single video, because it would be a total bummer if you did. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. We can't wait to make more, and we will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of the week.